So did something go wrong or did something go right?
Well, after I put the stones back, I thought maybe I'll try some of that life Tony was telling me to give.
A simple life. You get there one day. I don't know. Family, stability. Guy who wanted all that went in the ice 75 years ago. I think someone else came out. You all right?
How'd that work out for you?
It was beautiful.